Hi, my name is Davey. I am here to make stock market investing simple and easy. Sure, it may seem impossible, but every investor begins somewhere. If you're interested, come join me. There are numerous periods of ups and downs in the stock market. But time in the market beats trying to time the market. This video does not focus on trading stocks. We will focus on long-term stock investing. Major investment legends like Warren Buffett believe in the power of long-term investing. They use their money to invest in stable stocks for long periods of time. What do you invest in? I like to keep it simple. In your brokerage account, you can buy ETFs or single stocks from a specific company. Think of ETFs as a basket of stocks. It's safe, and so is its returns on investment. I have been beating the market by picking single stocks, creating my own basket. I buy a specific amount of shares that I can afford each month for each company in my stock portfolio. While it may sound scary, the stock market has always outperformed itself over and over again in all of history. It has even reached its all-time high most recently. Like I have learned from experience, time in the market beats trying to time the market or making a quick trade on a single stock. This makes us a stock investor rather than a stock trader. What to invest in is the big question. I always recommend doing your own research. Invest in big companies that you know the name of. I can only recommend. Some of my holdings include Advai, Cintas, TROW, JP Morgan, Apple, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and many more. If you'd like to hear more, let me know under the comments. Hit that like and subscribe if you're interested to learn more. I have been involved in the stock market for over 15 years. I had to learn many first-hand mistakes on my own. I have taken losses on my own money along the way. Let me help you avoid these beginner mistakes. So if you're interested, let's continue on this investing journey. The first thing you will need to do is create an online brokerage account. It can be simple as creating a self-brokerage account with your personal bank. For example, my favorite investing platform is Merrill Edge. This is offered by my personal bank, which is Bank of America. Some other online platforms for investing includes E-Trade, Charles Schwab, and Robinhood, to name a few. You can start an application for any of these on your computer or right from your phone. Follow the application process for a self-brokerage account. The account usually becomes active for use within 24 hours. You will then need to link your personal bank account to your brokerage account. Next, you will need to add funds to the self-brokerage account. I personally love the Bank of America Merrill Edge platform. This platform creates a user-friendly interface between the personal checking account at Bank of America and the self-directed brokerage platform. This platform makes it easy to move money between your checking and brokerage account. It will take 24 to 48 hours for the funds to be recognized in your brokerage account. You are now ready to start investing. The world is at your fingertips to invest in any publicly listed company at this time. It is very intriguing to see a stock of X dollar amount gain and sell the stock. It's very depressing to see the stock at an X dollar amount loss and sell it out of fear. Again, self-control is everything in long-term investing. That is why we're here. Let's not think 5 or 10 years. Let's think 20 to 25 years. Similar to how a work retirement may offer a 401k plan you contribute to every paycheck. Let us treat this self-brokerage account the same. The only difference is, you would be able to sell stocks in this account at any time without being penalized. Just note, you will have to pay tax on any gains at your current tax bracket whenever you do sell. We can talk about capital gains on our next video. But FYI, your incentives for holding a stock over a year, meaning you pay less tax on any gains if you were to sell for an X amount of gains. Happy investing, and remember, you are never alone.